Hello class, welcome to Biocatalyst. So for today we will going to discuss about the PYQs of the chapter cell cycle and cell division. So let's dig in. During which phase of cell cycle amount of DNA in a cell remains at a 4C level if the initial amount is denoted as 2C? The answer will be option number 4, G2 and M phase. Okay. In S phase of the cell cycle, amount of DNA doubles in each cell, amount of DNA remains the same in each cell, chromosome number is increased and amount of DNA is reduced to half in each cell. The answer will be amount of DNA doubles in each cell. The enzyme recombinase is required at which stage of meiosis? Pectine, zygotin, dipletin and dikinase. The answer will be pectine. A somatic cell that has just completed the S phase of its cell cycle as compared to gamete of the same species has same number of chromosome but twice the number of DNA, twice the number of chromosome and 4 times the amount of DNA, 4 times of the number of the chromosome and twice the amount of DNA, or twice the number of the chromosome and twice the number of DNA. Hence, the correct answer will be option number 2, twice the number of chromosome and 4 times the amount of DNA. Let's move to question number 5. Arrange the following events of meiosis in correct sequence. करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में हम लोगों को क्रिएट करना है ये वाला पार्ट, ठीक है। तो चलिए करते हैं। क्या बोला है, पहले हम लोगों को पता है कि पहले होता है क्या, साइनेप्सिस, उसके बाद होता है क्रॉसिंग ओवर के बाद होता है टर्मिनलाइजेशन ऑफ काइजमाटा एंड देन डिसअपियरेंस ऑफ न्यूक्लियोलस ऑकर्स. सो करेक्ट विल बी BACD, option number C, that is 3. Spindle fiber attach onto telomere of the chromosome, kinetochore of the chromosome, centromere of the chromosome or kinetosome of the chromosome. The answer will be kinetochore of the chromosome. In meiosis, crossing over is initiated at pectine. During cell growth, DNA synthesis takes place in, yes, S phase. Match the stages of the meiosis in column 1 to their characteristics in column 2 and select the option. Column 1 and column 2 को see, this A वाला part is column 1 and Roman वाला part is column 2. Okay, it's just the typing error and that's the ABCD वाला part. ये जो देख रहे हो ना, ये वाला part, ठीक है। तो चलिए देखते हैं 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन। क्या बोला गया है, पैकाइटिन। अब पैकाइटिन किसके साथ होएगा, हमको पता है, दैट विल गो टू, पैकाइटिन विल फॉर्म दैट ऑफ द क्रॉसिंग ओवर टेक्स प्लेस वाला थिंग, दैट इज द A will be 3, right? We will check. A have 3 in only one option, that is option 3, hence it will be the correct one. Which of the following option give the correct sequence of event during mitosis? We will have to see during the mitosis part. कंडेंसेशन, यस, कंडेंसेशन के बाद न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, हाँ, देन असेंबली, देन अरेंजमेंट एट द इक्वेटर, देन सेंट्रोमियर डिवीजन, सेग्रीगेशन, देन टेलोफेज. इट्स द करेक्ट वन. The stage during which the separation of the paired homologous chromosome began is diploidy. The correct sequence of the phase of the cell cycle is, क्या होगा, पहले क्या होता है, G1, फिर S, फिर G2 and then M. So the correct option will be option number 4. Cells in G0 phase exit the cell cycle, enter the cell cycle, suspend the cell cycle or terminate the cell cycle. Answer will be suspend the cell cycle. After meiosis 1, the resultant daughter cells have, क्या होता है उसके पास, twice the number of DNA in comparison to the haploid gamete. Crossing over takes place between which chromatid and in which stage of the cell cycle? Oh, it's very easy one. Non-sister chromatid में होता है non-homologous chromosome at the zygotic stage of the prophase one. Again, the match the following ones came. You know, all know the thing. There is ABCD in this way, like that way. We will go to cover this. zygotin क्या होता है, A will go to synapses, that is A will have 4 and we will check A have 4 in one option, that is it's the correct one. Identify the correct statement regard to G1 phase of interphase. Nuclear division takes place, DNA synthesis of replication takes place, reorganization of cell components takes place, cell is metabolically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. Hence, the correct answer will be what? Yes, you all are right. It will be option number 4. 18. Some dividing cells exist in the cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage. This is required the G0, that is quiescent stage. This process occurs at, yes, G1 phase. 19. Dissolution of the synaptic complex occurs during diploting. Attachment of spindle fiber to kinetochore of chromosome becomes evident in anaphase, telophase, prophase or metaphase. The correct answer will be metaphase. In mitotic cycle, the correct sequence of phase, it's the repeated one. The answer will be G1S, G2 and M. During meiosis 1, in which stage synapsis takes place? Zygote. तो चलिए जाते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. मैच करना है, ये मैंने किया था, देख लीजिए. G1 क्या होता है? सेल ग्रोथ एंड सेल ऑर्गन डुप्लीकेशन होता है. S क्या होता है? DNA रेप्लिकेशन एंड क्रोमोसोम डुप्लीकेशन होएगा. देन G2 फेज दैट इज साइटोप्लाज्मिक ग्रोथ होता है, हम लोगों को पता है. तो क्या आज सभी का सेम सेम है? दैट इज A1, B2, C3 एंड D4. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा रिपीट हो गया है, सो माफ कर दीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट आते हैं. द फ्रूट फ्लाई हैज़ 8 क्रोमोसोम दैट इज 2n in each cell. During interphase of mitosis, if the number of the chromosome at the G1 phase is 8, what would be the number of the chromosome after S phase? ये जो वाले मैथ है, मैंने क्लास जो चैप्टर की शुरुआत में आप लोग अच्छे से रीडिंग करोगे तो अच्छे से पता चल जाएगा. तो फिलहाल इसका आंसर 80 होगा. ठीक है. The central undergoes duplication during which phase? It's quite easy. S phase. Which stage of the meiotic prophase shows terminalization of chiasmata as it is a distinctive feature? It will be dikinase. The synaptic complex is formed by a pair of the synapses homologous chromosome, which is called what? Yes, bivalent and tetrad. That is, the answer will be both 1 and 3. Which is the incorrect statement about meiosis? Meiosis involves two equational cycles of the nuclear and cell division, which is called as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, but only a single DNA replication. Meiosis is initiated after parental chromosomes which have replicated to produce sister chromatid at the S phase. Meiosis involves the pairing of the homologous chromosome and the recombination. No, that's the wrong one. देयर इज़ अ फिगर विच रिप्रेजेंट्स. इस फिगर से देखो पता क्या पता चल रहा है कौन सा फेज में है? यप, दैट्स द एनाफेज. The appearance of recombination of the nodules of homologous chromosome during meiosis is categorized as sites at which the crossing over occurs. Which one of the following never occurs during mitotic cell division? Movement of centrioles towards opposite poles कौन सा नहीं होता है कभी भी? ठीक है. Appearing of homologous, ये तो नहीं होता ना. 34. Select the incorrect statement with reference to that of the mitosis. Spindle fiber attached to the centromere of chromosome. ये पहला ही मिल गया है हमको. Incorrect. Regarding meiosis, which one of the statement is incorrect? फिर से DNA replication occurs in S phase of the meiosis 2 का incorrect. Given below the two statement, one is level transition reasoning है. The growth of the multicellular organism is due to mitosis. Mitosis is also known as the equational division. Equational division as it offers the genetic stability. The answer will be both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. In a prophase 1 of meiosis, a chromosome starts pairing together and synapsis takes place. This process occurs during which of the following stage? This will be zygote. Now let's move to question number 38. Given below the two statement, Acheson reasoning है. The beginning of the diplotin is recognized by the dissolution of the synaptic complex and the formation of the X-shaped structure called chiasmata. Reason in oocytes of some vertebrates, diplotin can last for months or years. In it is word both A and R are correct, but they both are not the explanation of each other. So let's see which option carries it. Yeah, option number 3. The oocytes of some vertebrates get arrested for months in diplotin. Select the correct sequence of events during the prophase 1 of meiosis 1. न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप हम लोगों को सीक्वेंस में बताना है, ठीक है. कौन सा वाला है? 40 में है हम लोग, तो चलिए सीक्वेंस में करते हैं. न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप ब्रेकडाउन नहीं, पहले होता है कॉम्पेक्टेशन ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, देन होता है साइनॉप्टियल कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन, उसके बाद होता है न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप ब्रेकडाउन, दैट इज CBA. किधर किधर है CBA? CAB, BC, CB. ओ वेट, आई गेस नहीं, क्या बोला है? न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप ब्रेकडाउन. ओ सॉरी, it will not come. It will be happen as CB, and then crossing over takes place, that is CBE, option number D. Then DNA. Which stage of the meiosis can last for months or years in the oocytes of some vertebrates? The answer will be diplotin. So let's move to question number 42. In meiosis, crossing over and exchange of genetic material between the homologous chromosome are catalyzed by the enzyme known as recombinase. Identify the correct sequence of events during prophase 1 of meiosis. ये तो अभी किया था ना, ये आप लोगों के लिए होमवर्क है, सॉल्व करके मेरे को बताना. Next, move to question number 44. Bivalent or tetrad formation is characteristic feature observed during synaptial complex in zygote stage, chiasmata in diplotin stage, synaptial complex in pegylated stage, or chiasmata in zygote stage. The correct answer will be 1. With respect to metaphase, which of the following statement is incorrect? हम लोगों को incorrect जो statement है वो बताना है. Complete disintegration of nuclear envelope takes place. Chromosomes are highly condensed. Metaphase chromosomes are made up of 4 sister chromatids held together. Comment down the correct statement. The process of appearance of recombination nodules occurs at which substage of the prophase 1 in meiosis? What will be its answer? It will be pegylated. Which of the following stages of meiosis involves a division of a centromere? It's anaphase 2. Among eukaryotes, replication of DNA takes place in F phase. Match. M phase में क्या होता है, ये वाला चीज़ जो है हम लोगों को बताना है, तो चलिए देखते हैं. M phase will have the equational division, that is A will be 4. A will be 4, and then we have to match among B, and then we will get our correct answer. So B, that is G2 phase, will have proteins which are synthesized, that is B will be 1, hence option 2 will be the correct answer. Select the correct statement. Tetrad formation is seen during diplotin. During anaphase, the centromeres is split and chromatids is separate. We have to find the correct statement. Okay, fine. Okay, terminalization takes place during pegylated nucleolus Golgi complex and ERA reformed, crossing over the things between the sister chromatids and homologous chromosomes. There are multiple options correct. We all know that B and D are the correct one, that is anaphase wala, and D jo tha nucleolus wala. So the option 1 will be the correct one. Given below the two statements, statement 1, during G0 phase of the cell cycle, the cell is metabolically inactive. Statement 2, the centromeres undergoes duplication during the S phase of interphase. Choose the correct option. Both 1 and 2 are incorrect. No. Statement 1 is incorrect, but the statement 2 is correct. Option number 3. The dissolution of the synaptial complex occurs during diplotin. During which stages of the mitosis and meiosis respectively does the centromere of each chromosome split? क्या होएगा आंसर? आंसर will be telophase and anaphase 1. 54. Which of the following is the quiescent stage of the cell cycle? It's the G0 phase. And then 55, select the correct stages of the substages of a propho is one of the mitotic division. First one will be liptotin, then zygotin, then pakitin, then diplotin, then dikinase, that is DABEC. So the option 3 will be the correct answer. मिलते हैं आप लोगों के साथ नेक्स्ट एक न्यू चैप्टर के साथ. तब तक के लिए ऐसे ही पढ़ते रहे. एंड नीट 2024 का जो PYQ है वो नहीं है इसमें, तो आई विल बी मेकिंग अ सेपरेट वीडियो और अपलोडिंग शॉर्ट्स ऑन दिस चैप्टर फॉर नीट 2024 PYQ. एंड 2025 का कवर्ड हो चुका है ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट वीडियो में. अगर नहीं देखा है तो देख लीजिए जाके, और फिर चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहिए. तब तक के लिए बाय.